Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Raja from IIT Madras. So I was pursuing MS research in electrical department at IIT Madras here. I joined this program on July 22, and after this long journey, finally today marks my last day at IIT Madras. Today I am leaving my current hostel, which is Tamiraparani Hostel of IIT Madras. So after this 2.5 or 3 years of MS journey, I finally, at the end of this journey, I feel quite satisfied and feel it quite worth it. Although there were a lot of moments of self-doubt, anxiety, stress. Um, so uh, if you are also planning to pursue MS in whatever department at whichever IIT, you need to understand its requirement right in the beginning, because it is not a course based program which we generally do like in our undergraduation, like in BTech, but it is a kind of research based program similar to a PhD program. So it has different requirements. So many students uh, are not able to cope with it and leave the journey in between. So I'm quite happy that I have gone through all these different phases, difficult phases of this MS journey, and finally I am uh, uh, completing this journey, and it's feel all worth it now. So now, since I am leaving the IITM campus, and maybe uh, I will come again during convocation. So let me show you my room tour. So uh, I, hostels at IIT Madras, generally for research scholars, MS and PhD students, are quite basic, and here it is called a tower hostel, and I was residing in one of the tower hostel, which is Tamiraparani. So let me give you a small tour of my hostel room, so that you can get an idea how the room look like, because uh, there are a lot of video of the new hostels like Mandakini, but very less video of this kind of old hostel like tower hostel. So let me give you a small tour. So here is the entrance. My room number was 340, and as you can see here, it is quite a basic room, and it is generally MS and PhD student get a single sharing room only. So it is for that only. So there is a table, like it is kind of attached to the wall only, and the chair is also uh, not even the plastic, it is kind of steel chair. But if you want, you can make it better, you can customize it if you want. And some racks are there, and there's a window available here, but uh, during my stay here I feel it quite useless, because it is in the inner wing and there's no proper air circulation. So if you have choice, try to choose the room in the outside wing. And here you will get the one bed or cot, you can say, which is also a steel or iron. And here you can get almirah kind of thing, you can put your stuffs here. So I have emptied it since I am vacating today, and not much thing. You can make it a little bit better, you can put some quotes and thoughts on it. And there's a hanger. So here you will get only one fan, and in Chennai the weather is quite scorching. So uh, you cannot stay in the room for a long time, especially if you are in inner wing. And there's a sufficient lighting, you can put another bulb here if you want, otherwise there is a tube light here. So kind of very basic room. And yeah, there's a LAN cable here. You can use the internet from here, and you can use the router also if you want the Wi-Fi access. So yeah, kind of very basic room, but uh, for research, this basic room is more than sufficient. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, now let me give you some tour of the corridor. I am currently in the second floor. You can see in the top, and here the students generally put their clothes, and here now they have installed the water dispenser. I think half months or 6 months ago. You will get all kind of water here, and there's a lift also. So currently in this tower hostel there are 6 floors, so you can easily go through lift. And there is one common room or club room, you can say. So if you feeling stressed, you can uh, spend some time here. There are some of the indoors game available also, and it's kind of feel relaxing. So that's all.
Give me a sign, will everything be alright? I need a sign, cause I don't wanna waste my time.